How does the R&D tax credit claim process work? There are 5 steps to making an R&D tax credit claim. First, figure out what financial year you're talking about and begin to get your thoughts in order. Second, you may need to notify HMRC that you're going to make an R&D tax claim if you haven't made a claim before or within the past 3 years. Now, this rule doesn't actually come into effect unless you're claiming for a financial year that started after the 1st of April 2023, and you don't have to notify them until 6 months after the end of that financial year, so most likely this won't even become an issue for anyone until September 2024. Third, you need to fill in an online additional information form. It has over 50 questions, and this covers kind of all the key topics of your claim. Basically, this is how you justify that you actually are doing research and development. Now, you have to complete this form before you file your corporation's taxes, but you can complete it the day before. Fourth, then when you file your corporate taxes, you file an additional form, a CT600L, which has all of the numbers relating to your R&D tax claim, and it gives you the numbers that you then put into your corporate tax forms. Fifth, if your corporation then owes HMRC money, you simply don't pay them the money that you're claiming for. If HMRC has any questions, they'll ask you. Now, if you don't pay corporations tax, HMRC will then aims to send you a check within 6 weeks of you filing. That's it. So in summary, you have to decide which financial year you're going to be claiming for. You may need to notify HMRC that you're going to be filing a claim. You need to fill out the additional information form, which is online. You need to complete a CT600L form, and you submit that with your corporation's tax filing. Now, when I say that there's just 5 steps, I don't want to downplay the additional information online form. It asks some pretty sweeping questions, and you really need to get your head around the way that HMRC thinks. But that's exactly what the AI accountant robot is for. It's for getting your thoughts in order, collecting all the information together, and then recasting it in a way that HMRC can understand.